Good afternoon everyone, myself Kirti. I am studying second year YTC in TGRS Junior College, Bodhwala. Now I would like to express about the sustainability of environment. As we all know, in today's era, the rapid development and technological progress is one of the greatest challenges facing the humanity is how to grow without destroying the natural environment. Environmental sustainability refers to practice that how to allow to use natural resources like air, water, minerals, soil, etc. in ways that should not deplete them or irreversibly harm the ecosystem. It involves in balancing the needs of the uh, needs of the human society with the limits for which the ecosystem can do. So the future generations can also have a enjoy and a stable planet. Protecting of biodiversity helps in maintaining and balancing the nature in which that turns supports the food supply and clean water and disease control. Sustainability helps to reduce the climate change also by reducing the greenhouse gas emissions, which means favor extreme weather changes and slowing of global warming. Less pollution leads to the good health to the public, favor lung diseases and less cost of cleaning, also having the high quality of life. Sustainability agriculture and reuse of land preserves the soil fertility and prevents the desertification or land degradation. A healthy environment have the economical stability like tourism, forestry, agriculture, fishing. These all depends on the nature. Also, we know nature is not a visit place; it is a bone. Now, I would like to tell some of the important points on preserving of biodiversity and ecosystem. Also, we know that nature helps in providing vital services like pollination of crops, purification of air, soil fertility, climate regulation, and etc. If these services are declined, the people who are living in the earth will suffer from all the diseases. Also destroy the livelihoods and addressing the climate and extreme changes in them, like disturbing the environment, making excess of deforestation, burning fossil fuels, and floods uncontrollably leads to the increase in leads to the increasing reduce of the environment. So we have to overcome all this process by making the afforestation. So we can consume our environment by more amount of oxygen. This usually occurs by increasing of vehicles which they possesses the nitrogen gases, methane, and by using the refrigerators, it releases the chlorofluorocarbons. This all comes under the increasing of destroying the environment. Mahatma Gandhi said that earth provides enough enough to satisfy what the man's need, but not the man every man's need their greed. Also, by using the renewable resources, we can consume our environment. The renewable resources like air, water, and etc. So we have the ethical responsibility that we have to take care our planet to overcome from all these problems and implementing of afforestation can increase our environment in better position. So we have to take part in making our environment in good condition.